Alright friends, so today we are going to learn about the difference when we use the sum function as against when we use the arithmetic symbol, which is a plus operator. So for the sake of uh, doing it quickly, I already have prepared some input for you that we are going to use using the cards statement here, and we'll create the SAS dataset by name of my data, and we will have three variables x, y, and z, and we are going to store all the listed down values in one of those variables when we create them. And now we are going to use the proc print to print out and see the results. Let's see how does it look. So when we run this, let's first go to the logs. In the logs, we can clearly see that there is no error or warning. There are just simply notes. So if we go through the logs, we see that it has first processed the data statement here, and it says that SAS has read in successfully 7 observations and 3 variables. So if you see here, we have 3 variables, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observations. And then it has run proc print, so we can check out the results tab where we can see all the values have been read correctly. Now let's move on to the part where we are trying to show you the difference between the sum function and plus operator. So let's do it in a way where if we use the sum function, we save the value of in another variable by the name a, and when we use the plus operator, we save off the results in another variable by the name e. So we will read in the data set my data that we created above. We'll create a new one. So eventually we shall be having x, y, z, the three first inputs that we already have. Plus we should have two more variables a and b storing the results of whatever functions we are applying here or whatever operation we are doing. So let's run this and then again see the results using proc print. Alright, so now we have the original input and output when we use sum function in A and plus operator in B. You would see that it will display the same value in A and B as long as we do not see a blank or missing information. So as soon as you see a missing information in any of the variables, you'll realize that sum function still works perfectly fine. And that is because some function try to interpret a missing value as 0, and it does not impact the final output. So that is why you are seeing 0 plus 3 plus 2, which is 5 in A. However, if you see the value or the result in the variable b, you will see that it has been resulted as missing. And the reason is SAS functions with the arithmetic operators in a way that if they find a missing value, then the final result will be missing. And that is why for the rest of the observation 5 and 6, you will see the same behavior. And this is highly important for you to remember that whenever you are performing an arithmetic operation on any of the numeric variables, you should rather use functions that are available than using the arithmetic operators. I hope this clarifies, and again, this is highly advisable to use functions rather than the operators. Thank you so much for watching. I will be posting such videos and you can follow along. Thank you for your time.